going to Sylhet today to eat out somewhere. I don't know where yet, but when I get there, I'm going to make my mind up. After I make my mind up, I'm going to let you know where we go. It's a very hot day today, proper sunny day, and I want to try Bangladesh, street foods. But the thing is, you get a bit of a bad stomach, you get Guys, as you can see, this is the road that leads to my house. This is the main road of the place that I live in. As you can see, Shoaib Bhai right down there waiting for me. As you can see, guys, this is my village. Just going walking up to my cousin brother. And as you can see, the trees and the plants, how nice everything looks, how enjoyable it is to be here. He's waiting for me. See these little shops. It's a beautiful feeling being here. You know why? Because the breeze and everything, the shade from the trees, everything feels amazing. We're just on our way to Sylhet. We got this CNG. It's a rickshaw. It's a auto rickshaw. CNG in Bangladesh. It's run by gas, so that's why they call it CNG. And as you can see, these are the fields. It's been flooded with water, so we are gonna have to drive over water sometime over. I'll show you guys that later as well. Bridge, Kebab garden again. Is it closed? It seems like it's closed. Ask kebab. Good bar. It's Wednesday, so I don't think it's closed, but I haven't been here for quite a while now, and I miss the food, so let's go try it out today. kebab garden, and I found out that the owner actually is from UK. He lived in UK for a bit of time, and he worked in a restaurant called Agra, and his uncle is the owner of Agra. So that's why I think they got the idea from opening like a Bangladeshi Indian cuisine food. That I think they got the idea from Agra. So I'm going to show you exactly where it is, the kebab garden, to advertise it, give you a bit of customers for him. Anyways, I'm going to advertise it for you now, and I'm going to show you exactly where it's located. So as you're coming, as you're going towards Zinda Bazaar from Bondor, you come and you go past this place. You go naam kita, this building on naam kita? Sylhet Plaza. It's called Sylhet Plaza, and if you come past this, and then you see this sign. It says Belmonte Fabrics or something, Raymond Collection. So if you come here, you go up them stairs, and you go upstairs to Kebab Garden. You can see Kebab Garden from here. You can see it. It's on the top floor, third floor. If you come, you'll find it here. Ya pala kung kita আমরা বরিশালে আমরা নি কি রাখেন এতে Good evening, guys. So today I just needed to make something clear, you know what I mean, because Kebab Garden is it's a really nice place, but it's just in the wrong location. It's put in the very wrong location when no one will ever be able to notice that there is a restaurant there, you know what I mean. Like even me, but accidentally I figured out that there's a restaurant there, you know what I mean. Or else there's no chance of knowing that there's a restaurant there unless you get recommended, unless you get someone takes you there. So guys, I showed you where it is. I recommend everyone who's traveling to Bangladesh to go eat there if they're looking for like food that they make themselves in takeaways and restaurants in UK. Then you can go there and find yourself the food that you're looking for. টিয়া পাখি আছে না কথা তলে কেমন কিন্তু পালা ঠিক না টিয়া পাখি রাখা যায় হ্যাঁ ছাড়িয়ে কিলা দিবা আইও মনও রাখি দাও Guys, I found a parrot. Kita pakai, parrot ni, kia pakai, pakai no, ini mati ni, mati ni, oh ada wah, oh mata ikse na, কিন্তু বড় গেলে, শিখছে নি, ওগো, 3000 kita হওয়া, নেওয়ার বাটে খাও, কাছে এসে লাগায়, নিতাম করে আইছি এখন তুমি পালা
इंजीरे लगाइए
इंजीरे लगाइया कत हो
ये लोग इंजीरे लगाइए
दूर ना रे वाह
200 कम किलो कर जबान किलो मार
1000 ইউনি কত দিতে আর ভাই না না হ্যাঁ একদম আর 1100 আর 1100 নিবাই কি নিলাম করে আইছি রে এখন দেখো
2000 টাকা দিলেন যে জায়গা
2000 টাকা হইতো না
2000
এটা না
তেল একদম কত দিতে আপনি কই 1100 চেক করে আপনি কই কম দিলে
1100
এটা না ভাই আমরা বেচতাম পারতাম না
আমি নেওয়ার লাগিও হই গা
একদম নিয়ে আপনার মাথায় তো না
1100 দিলে যাও না এটা তো এটা
কত ওইলা বলে 1100 मुझे वाला भी बताइए रबना हमारा दाम तो रकम इसीलिए जब हिसाब
তুই কত দিতা
तो 1600 दूंगा
1600 না না তো 1200 নি ভাই কিনে ওগুলো রো
itu dan saud utaranya dan saud bom
Fresh.
Siapa tu lepas?
We just bought a parrot, guys. Look at that.